Hello friends, today I will show you top 4 best free Minecraft server hosts. I have opened them on my browser. The first one is Aternos. Aternos is dedicated to delivering free forever Minecraft hosting. Here you can see all the server features. On number 2 is ServerPro. This hosting service has both a free plan and paid plans. The base server is free, you only need to pay to increase performance. On number 3 is MineFort. This hosting will provide you with a free Minecraft server forever. But if you want to host a public one with more players and performance, you need to pay. Here are the plans. The last free best Minecraft server host is MineFort. This is also a forever free Minecraft server hosting service. All you need to do is click here. Register by filling in this form. Press Create Server and give a name to your server. Then press Create Server. These are the top 4 best Minecraft server hosts. Thanks for watching.